Annotations are simply about metadata. So in other words, they provide additional information about the program to the compiler, but they don't affect the execution of the compiled program. You can add annotations like little notes or tags to your Java code. They are not part of the code that gets executed, but they can provide information to other tools or libraries that read your code. Annotations start with the @ symbol. For example, @myAnnotation. The sign character @ indicates to the compiler that what follows is an annotation. You've probably seen some pre-existing annotations such as overrides annotation. The overrides annotation is a way to indicate that a method is meant to override a method in a superclass. This can help to catch mistakes in a method signature or implementation in an overriding method. When used, the Java compiler will check to ensure that the method is actually overriding a method in the superclass. It will generate an error if this is not the case. Annotations are optional metadata. Removing all annotations in a project filled with them will not affect the code from compiling and running. However, adding an annotation can trigger a compile error. The compiler validates that an annotation is used correctly. So in summary, annotations can be used for different purposes: for code generation, for compile time checking, for runtime processing, and for tools.